Why roof leaks often start weeks after a storm in Tampa. If a leak just showed up weeks after a storm, it usually isn't random. Around the Bay Area, that's often a clue that the last round of wind or one of our heavy afternoon downpours weakened part of your roof, and the problem is only now making its way inside. When those strong Gulf gusts hit, they can lift shingles or loosen metal flashing. But water rarely pours straight into your living room. Instead, it tracks along the roof deck until it finds a seam. Often, your attic insulation soaks it up like a sponge first. It holds that moisture for days or weeks until it gets too heavy and finally drips through. You might see a coffee-colored ring on the ceiling, bubbling paint, or smell a heavy, musty odor in the attic. In our Florida heat and humidity, you cannot ignore this. That trapped dampness steams your roof structure from the inside out, causing mold growth and rotting your decking incredibly fast. If you live in Tampa or the surrounding communities and you see a new spot on the ceiling, don't wait for the next storm. Affordable Roofing Systems offers leak inspections for local homeowners. We check shingles, flashing, and the attic to pinpoint the source before the damage gets worse. Call us at 813-542-8462 or visit affordableroofingflorida.com to help protect your home. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.